Hey everyone, it's Steve-O from the Atmosphere Forums. I just thought I might do a little quick video, a little different than the normal e-bike kind of videos I usually do. This is dishwasher, sorry, clothes washer here, wash some clothes. However, it's powered by some alternative energy, so I'm going to give you a little preview of it. So, gotta follow our little extension cord here. So here's my solar system setup. It's still in the very beginning stages, not really permanently set up, but it's just basically in testing phase before I end up actually using it in the house. Here's a Xantrax, I believe it's called a Xw6048 inverter. Capable, I believe, of 4,500 watts continuous with like a 9,000 watt peak. So right now it's not really loaded that much. The washer's still loading up. Just thought I should do a little quick demo. So this is the system control panel. So let me just get out of this for a second. So we'll start off. Today was a really good day. One for the record books, I believe. It's supposed to be like 45 degrees here in Ontario, where I am. That's with the humidity. So it was a really hot day today. A lot of sun. So let's look at it and see what my my Xantrax solar controller did, and that's a Xantrax, I believe it's the 60 amp or 65 amp version. It'll do up to about 140 volt input from the solar panels, and it converts it to 48 volts DC electricity. So I'm only using half my bank right now. I still got to wire everything up, but that's about 180 amp hour at about 48 volts. So here's my meter. So we're going to check what we did today on the generator solar panel. So I have about 285 watts, 280 watt panels, and I also have two 140 watt panels outside. So we'll go to my meter. So today I generated 20 amp hour at 48 volts, which is actually pretty good. That's I just recently added two 140 watt panels. And I changed the setup yesterday. Again, a really sunny day. I only generated 10 amp hour. Keep in mind, that would be 10 amp hour at 48 volts. So it's a lot more than you think. Yesterday, I had it hooked up a little bit different. Some of the panels, it's kind of a little messy configuration. Some panels are in series, some are in parallel. But yesterday, I generated 10 amp hour with a really sunny day. And today, just as a sunny day, I got 20 amp hour. And I changed the configuration of my panels a little bit. I believe I have two 80 watt panels in series. I have another two in series, and I believe I paralleled those two sets of series. So kind of hard to explain. I would explain it, but I don't want to complicate anything. But anyways, change the configuration to make a long story short. I wish I could give you some light readout, but it is night right now. So I mean, it's just a life 40 kiloamp hour, I guess, but today's 20 amp hour. So it shows photovoltaic power, so that's off the panels. That shows, I guess, DC out power. Photovoltaic in, so amps and everything. So it shows all that. Nothing crazy happening there because we're not really charging right now. But let's look at my inverter. So I believe, let me see here. Doesn't look like we're drawing anything. Oh, there we go. So you can see it jumping up and down. 130, 107, 248 watt peak. So it's a very small load. I mean, I can definitely hook up a blow dryer and watch it peak up to 1500 watts, but this thing is a beast. I mean, it will take pretty much anything you can throw at it. And it's pretty cool. It shows you a load meter, so it shows you really how much I'm only using of what the potential of the inverter is. Battery level is nice and full right now, so that's good. Let me see if there's anything else. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. I did hook up my meter. That's what I should have showed you guys. Let's take a quick look here. So this is only been set up for a day or two, so not really much here happening. But I just want to see if I could show any. Just get to the right setting here. Oh, there, 140 watt, 150. These are really great, these meters. I mean, really cool for when charging your bike, seeing what you're exactly pulling out of the wall and so forth. But yeah, wish I could show you a little more open of the inverter, the insides of it and such. But I did screw in all the panels because I did wire it for now. And yeah, hopefully this thing will basically pay itself over time. It will take quite a bit of time, but I really like this stuff. So, and I guess I'll leave it like that. So, thanks for watching, and I guess I'll leave it at go green. Thanks.